What if I told you aging isn't just about getting older? Two people can be the exact same age, yet one looks and feels years younger, more energetic, sharper, with glowing youthful skin. And the difference isn't genetics, it's a few daily habits most people completely ignore. In fact, one of these habits could be quietly speeding up your aging right now without you even realizing it. Because aging doesn't just show up over time, it's happening to your skin every single day. You reach a certain age and suddenly your skin looks duller, less firm, less radiant, like it's slowly losing the glow. Most people think that's normal, but science shows something very different. Your skin's aging is directly influenced by your daily habits. Habits that control your collagen, blood flow, inflammation, hormones, and stress. That's why two people can look completely different at the same age. One with smooth, glowing skin, the other looking tired and aged. So what's actually creating that difference? Let's break it down. First, muscle, your anti-aging engine. Most people don't realize this, but one of the biggest reasons your skin starts looking older has nothing to do with creams. It's muscle loss. Starting around age 30, your body slowly begins losing muscle every single decade. And when that happens, your skin starts losing its tightness, glow, and structure too. But here's the part nobody talks about. Muscle isn't just for strength. It actually releases powerful compounds that improve blood flow, boost collagen support, reduce inflammation, and help your skin look brighter and healthier from within. That's why some people look naturally radiant even without expensive skincare. Think of your muscles as a hidden glow system under your skin. But here's the catch. It only works if you actually use your muscles. That's why simple strength training, even just a few times a week with squats, push-ups, or resistance bands, can completely change how your skin looks over time. Second, sunlight equals hormone booster. Sunlight is your skin's hidden glow source. Most people spend hundreds of dollars on skincare, but ignore the one thing their skin actually needs every day. It's sunlight. When your skin doesn't get enough sunlight, it doesn't just affect your health, it shows up on your face. And your skin can start looking dull, tired, and uneven, almost like it's missing that natural glow. But here's what most people don't know. Sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D, which plays a key role in skin repair, reducing inflammation, supporting collagen, and maintaining a healthy, radiant appearance. That's why people who get regular sunlight often have a more natural glow, even without expensive products. But here's the mistake. Most people either avoid sunlight completely or overdo it. Your skin doesn't need hours, just 10 to 20 minutes of gentle sunlight a few times a week can make a noticeable difference. It's one of the simplest habits, one of the most powerful for naturally glowing, healthy skin. Next, brain health, your skin's glow switch. Most people think skincare is all about what you put on your face. But what if your skin actually starts with your brain? When your brain is constantly stimulated, learning, and active, it helps regulate hormones, improve blood flow, and support the systems that keep your skin looking fresh and alive. But when your brain is understimulated or constantly overloaded, it can show up on your face as dullness, tired-looking skin, that low energy look that you can't explain. Here's why. Your brain controls stress responses. sleep quality, and hormonal balance, all of which directly impact your skin's glow, clarity, and aging process. That's why people who stay mentally active, learning new things, reading, solving problems, having meaningful conversations, often look more vibrant and youthful. Think of your brain as the control center of your glow. If it slows down, your skin often follows. Next, stress, the fastest way to age your skin. If there's one thing that quietly damages your skin faster than almost anything else, is the stress. And most people don't even realize it's happening. When you are constantly stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that breaks down collagen, increases inflammation, and accelerates skin aging. And this shows up as dullness, fine lines, breakouts, and puffiness. That constantly tired look, even if you're using the best skincare products. That's why stress doesn't just affect how you feel, it changes how you look. But here's the powerful part. Even small daily habits like 10 minutes of deep breathing, meditation, or simply slowing down can help reduce cortisol and protect your skin from premature aging. Because when your body is calm, your skin reflects it. Next, social connection, your skin's hidden anti-aging secret. This might sound surprising, but one of the most powerful things for your skin isn't a product, it's your relationships. People who feel connected, supported, and happy don't just feel better, they actually look better. Their skin appears more relaxed, more vibrant, and more alive. But when you feel isolated, stressed, or disconnected, it shows up on your face as dullness, tension, and that tired, low energy look. Here's why. Strong social connections help regulate stress hormones, improve mood, and support better sleep, all of which directly impact your skin's glow and aging process. That's why people surrounded by positive relationships often look more youthful even without trying. Because when your mind feels supported, your skin reflects it. Next, daily movement, your natural glow booster. You don't need intense workouts to get glowing skin, but you do need to move, because when your body stays still for too long, your circulation slows down and your skin starts to lose its natural brightness. That's when your face can start looking dull, puffy, and tired. But here's what happens when you move regularly. Your blood flow increases, oxygen and nutrients reach your skin, toxins are cleared more efficiently, and suddenly your skin starts looking fresher, clearer, and more radiant. This doesn't mean hours in the gym. Simple things like walking, stretching, or staying active throughout the day can make a visible difference in how your skin looks. Think of movement as a natural glow filter. The more consistent you are, the more your skin shows it. So, what's the final message? At the end of the day, your skin isn't just about what you apply on the surface. It's a reflection of what's happening inside your body every single day. The way you move, the way you think, the way you handle stress, the habits you repeat daily, they are all shaping how your skin looks and how fast you age. That's why some people seem to glow naturally, while others keep chasing results through products alone. The difference isn't luck, it's daily habits. So instead of trying to change everything at once, start with just one habit from this video. But remember to stay consistent. Don't expect sudden results. And over time, you won't just see the difference, you will feel it. Because real glow doesn't come from products, it comes from within. So remember, Stay healthy, keep smiling, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.